What are we fighting for? But deep inside we all the same. Children of Abraham. One God, one land, one people.
The morning broke with fire in the sky. Innocent hearts had no chance to say goodbye. Mothers cried, fathers on their knees, asking God above, when will we live in peace?
Blood on the sand, tears in the streets. History repeats, but what do we achieve? If love's the answer, why can't we agree? We're stronger together, why can't we believe?
What are we fighting for? Peace and love is all we need to coexist. The sons of Abraham, brothers at war. But deep inside our hearts we all want more.
Children suffering, mothers cry. I see the pain in every eye.
One God, one land, one people. Tell me, what are we fighting for?
Look, Gaza to Tel Aviv, pain on both sides. Little ones caught where the hate collides. Politicians talking, but they don't bleed, while families are broken, praying for peace. I wish we could rewind the hands of time. October 6th, before the world went blind, before the rockets, before the hate, before the walls they built became a fate.
This is tragedy, history's chained. Different flags, but the tears look the same. Can we rise above? Can we break these walls? Hear the children's voices call. What are we fighting for? Peace and love is all we need to coexist. The sons of Abraham, brothers at war. But deep inside our hearts we all want more.
Children suffering, mothers cry. I see the pain in every eye.
One God, one land, one people. Tell me, what are we fighting for?
How I wish we could go back to October 6th, back before the fire, before the pain.
One God, one land, one people. Love is the only war worth fighting.